To book a Grab, start by opening the Grab app and selecting the transport option, represented by a card icon next to the food icon. On this page, you'll see a Now icon alongside the Where to icon. Tap on this to schedule your trip for later. Choose your preferred date and time, and then tap Schedule. You'll be taken to a page where you can enter your pickup and drop-off locations. Enter your pickup location, then select your drop-off point. Once you've done this, click Set this pickup, and confirm the date and time at the bottom left of the screen. Make sure the details are correct. Then click Schedule to confirm your booking. This is how you can book a Grab in advance.